This channel has already grown to over 176,000 subscribers with less than 90 videos. And the crazy part is, their content is simply football highlights. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start a channel like this without breaking copyright rules, using only free tools. Just to get a clear idea about this niche, I'm going to play a video I created using free tools.
Did you know some scientists think Lionel Messi experiences the game a little differently? Not because he literally slows time, but because his brain seems to process things faster than most people. A study from a few years back and a bunch of expert observations suggest his neural processing and instincts give him a kind of mental slow motion. While defenders are reacting, Messi is already seeing the next two moves. That tiny advantage, a fraction of a second, is everything in football. 1 second can be the difference between become great by copying fancy drills, he became great by playing lots of messy, high-pressure, unstructured football where you had to think fast, adapt, and be creative every touch.
I created this video in less than 15 minutes, and it's super easy to do. If you look closely, most of their videos land right between 8 to 15 minutes long. And guess what? They consistently pull in tens of thousands, sometimes even hundreds of thousands of views. According to Social Blade, channels like this can easily make thousands of dollars per month just by posting these highlight videos. As I always do, I did my research on this niche, and the reason it's so powerful is simple. Football is the most popular sport in the world. That means there's already a massive global audience searching for this kind of content every single day. So if you've ever wanted to start a unique YouTube channel without spending a single penny, this is the only tutorial you need to watch. I'm going to break down their exact strategy, step by step, and teach you how to replicate it safely. The best part? You don't need expensive software or advanced editing skills. And make sure you watch till the end, because I'm going to show you the most important trick to avoid copyright strikes and keep your football channel safe while still getting viral views. Alright, let's get started. The first and most important step is having a viral video idea. Since we've already looked at one of our biggest competitors and seen what's working, we can use their videos as inspiration. What I like to do is take screenshots of these popular videos from successful football channels and then feed those images into ChatGPT with a simple prompt. From there, ChatGPT can generate fresh topic ideas inspired by all those viral videos. The great thing is, I've already tested and prepared the most effective prompts you can use, so you don't have to start from scratch. Now press enter and ChatGPT will come up with the best topic ideas inspired by all these viral videos that I have fed into ChatGPT. Now we can create the perfect script for any of these ideas by going to the document I created for this video. Just copy the master prompt, head over to ChatGPT, paste it in, and then insert your specific topic right here. Once you have added the topic, press enter and ChatGPT will perfectly write a whole script for you. But here's something important. Don't just copy and paste the AI script directly. Instead, read through it carefully and rewrite some of the sentences in your own words. This makes your script sound more natural and unique, and it also helps you avoid sounding too robotic. Once you've polished up your script, the next step is to turn it into an AI voiceover for your video. For this, we are going to use 11 Labs. Once you go to 11 Labs, choose the section for voices here. You have a filter option to make your choice easier. For this video, let's set the language to English with an American accent since our audience are English speakers. Now check for the best voice that you think fits best with the idea you are creating. I'm going to go with this voice called James. It's clear and engaging, perfect for our football niche. Now let's copy the script to this dashboard. Notice that the maximum characters we can do at once is 5,000, so make sure you are aware of that. Just hit generate. Once the audio is ready, you can download the file right to your computer. Okay, we have our voiceover. Now it's time to move to the next crucial step, getting free football stock videos. This is where the interesting parts of the tutorial begin. Now, if you've seen these videos before, you know that they're all using real match highlights of iconic players to teach skills every fan or player wants to learn, right? And I've been looking for a way to get those kind of footage for a few days, but I just couldn't find a way to do it without having to subscribe to a paid plan. And let me tell you, that is not a fun time. But here's the kicker. I recently found a platform where you can access both old and new football matches without paying a subscription. This website is called Footballia. All you need to do is head over to Footballia and sign up for a free account with your email address. And once you're in, you'll have access to over 45,000 matches. As our video is going to be about Messi, we'll need to download some highlight video about him. To do that, I'll go to the Special Collections section and select Messi's matches. From there, I can see his games from 2003 all the way to today. Just keep in mind that matches from 2003 to 2015 are usually low quality, which can hurt the final look of your YouTube video. For the best results, I recommend choosing matches from 2020 onward, since they're available in higher resolution. For this tutorial, I'll pick some recent match like this one, Paris Saint-Germain versus Inter Miami. When I click on it, I can't download it directly because there's no download button. But don't worry, it's actually super simple. Just right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. A new window will open. From there, go to the Network tab and click the Filter function. After that, go to Media section, then play the video. You'll see the video files loading. Click on the file for the match and it will open in a new tab. Then simply hit the three dots menu and select Download. Boom, the video is saved to your device. The process is simple. Repeat this exact process for any match you want. I spent just a few minutes doing this, and as you can see, I already have a nice collection of footage. This is more than enough to get started. You can also add stock footage from free sites like Pexels or Vecteezy that aligns with your script. Alright, now that you know how to download football matches, the next part is crucial for your channel's safety. How to properly edit this football footage to avoid copyright issues. If you skip this, YouTube could hit your channel with strikes, and too many of those can lead to demonetization or even your channel getting shut down completely. So pay close attention because this part is absolutely crucial. And hey, if you're finding this tutorial helpful so far, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. Alright, for the editing, I'll be using the free version of CapCut, but you can use any video editing tool you prefer. Start by opening a new project, then import all your prepared assets, including your visuals, football footage, and the voiceover file. Next, drag your voiceover onto the timeline and be sure to set your project's aspect ratio to 16:9, as this is the standard size for YouTube videos. With the narration in place, begin the process of assembling the rough cut by strategically placing your video footage onto the timeline so they align with the voiceover. Once you've done that, start trimming out the parts you don't need and delete them from the timeline. This part can take a few minutes, but once it's done, you'll see all your clips neatly lined up on the timeline, ready for fine-tuning. Now, let's adjust the frame size to 130%. This little trick helps cover up any watermarks on the screen. Once that's done, it's time to make the video flow smoothly. Go to the Transitions tab at the top and pick any transition you like. Personally, I'm going to use Light Beam and Burn 3. Now it's time to add some effects. You can go with any effect you like, but I usually stick with the vignette because it makes the video look more polished. Feel free to test a few and choose the one that fits your style best. Once all your clips and voiceover are synced, it's time to add captions. Go to the top left, click on Captions, and hit Generate. CapCut will automatically transcribe your entire voiceover and create captions for you. This is a pro feature, but you can still do it manually on the free plan. From there, you can customize the captions to match your style. On the right side, click on Animations, and you'll see a bunch of pre-made templates. Take a minute to scroll through, test a few, and pick the one that fits your video best. I'll go with this one for my project. Next, to make your video more engaging, let's add background music. If you check out the top channels in this niche, you'll notice they all use some type of upbeat, cheerful track. To get free music, head over to Pixabay. It has thousands of copyright-free songs you can safely use. Just click on the music category, type something like cheerful beat in the search bar, and preview the tracks until you find one you like. Once you do, download it. Now import that song into CapCut, just like you did with your other files. Drag it onto the timeline and lower the volume so it doesn't overpower your voiceover. Finally, once you're happy with everything, click Export. Set the resolution to 1080p and the frame rate to 60 FPS, then hit Export. Your video is ready to go. I hope this video was helpful for you to start your YouTube journey. If it did, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment. That's all for today's video. I'll see you in the next one.